Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how computers operates or how computers functions. So here, we are going to look briefly on how to start, restart, sleep, lock a computer. Then we shall go ahead also to know some of the different common day-to-day tasks which are done by the computers at schools and in workplaces. So we should also appreciate that the computer has made life easy in the current era. So let's start with the how to start a computer. Here, for you to start a computer, you should make sure that your computer battery or your computer desktop is connected to a power source. Once that one is sorted, you will find a switch button on your computer. So a switch button, it has a sign of O with a 1 inside. So you have to press that. So after pressing, your computer will open and your windows will be active for operations. So when the window is now active for operation, you go to this, you'll find something like this where my cursor, I hope everybody is seeing this one here. This thing will show you a start. So this one is directing you to these locations here, whereby in the right hand side you will see this sign here for power with a hole and a slash in form of 1, showing that you can easily right click and you find those options of locking your computer, sleeping your computer, shutting down your computer, and restart. So this is where you can restart your computer, shut down your computer, sleep, or lock your computer. So I hope that one is clear. So I have to also let you know also appreciate some of the common functions of a computer, whereby a computer can be used for typing, can be used for data entry and organization. That is in Excel. There is a Microsoft Word called Excel. For typing, we use Microsoft Word. Computers can also be used to organize presentations, whereby we use what we call PowerPoint presentation software, which is also in the computer. There are very many numbers of applications that can perform different tasks using a computer. Don't forget that I'll be looking one by one on some of these applications and how to use them and how to operate them, how to go away with them. So don't forget to subscribe, and I welcome everyone in the next video as we meet. Thank you so much.